Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great summer. I can't believe it's the end of August here, and I know I haven't been on for a while, and we've had a pretty busy summer and had a nice trip to England, Scotland, and Ireland, and saw some amazing sights and countryside, and so that was really enjoyable. And we've just been doing day trips and been pretty busy, so I haven't done a lot of crafting, but I feel ready to I know I had the urge to do some, so I just decided to do a bunch of cards, and I didn't really want to go spend a bunch of money or anything on new supplies or anything. And I have a lot of paper and you know, some dies and different things. I had a box of A2 cards, and I thought I would just use those and then just see what I could come up with. So just kept it fairly simple, and I'll show you some of the things that I've done here. First, let's see, we'll start with these ones. I've decided to do them like note card size. I used this box here, which I actually got free with a paper pad last year, and it's just all these colored backgrounds of the A2 cards, and it comes with the envelopes. So I used those as my base for the cards, and then I just used my scraps. Just went through and found pieces that worked, and either cut them or you know, if I had to, and use them for the card front. And then I used some of my dies and cut out different shapes. Like here's some here. I used this rectangle die for some. I used this kind of pretty shaped here, and then used my stamps and just stamped some simple sentiments on there. So I've made some birthday ones and some that could be for note cards or just different occasions. And so here's the first one here. So I used "You're So Sweet" on there as a sentiment. And I don't know how well you can see this because I've got them all packaged in cellophane, but this is how they look. Hopefully you can see it okay. And then I also did a gift tag for each one as well. So some of them I'll take out and show you better, but I won't show all to you. But so here's one that says "You're So Sweet" again, just a little different with the cupcake on there and different layering that I've done. And then there's the gift tag in the back. Here's one. I used a black and white gingham. Another "You're So Sweet," and there's the gift tag on there. Maybe I can show you this one here. Just simple like this. And I left all the cards blank so that people could, you know, if I give them away or whatever I do with them, people could just write their own sentiments. Put my stamp on the back, "Designs by Shell," handcrafted with care. And then that one has the gift tag in it as well. And it's like this, the gingham, and just left it back. We could write on the back there. And "Just for You." So that's that one. And then here's another one. "You're So Sweet," and there's the gift tag on the back. And I tried to use, you know, sort of coordinating papers. They're not all coordinating, but, you know, at least some colors that kind of match. So here's one that says "Just for You," and there's the tag on the back. Here's another one. Just simple, just didn't add just, you know, little bits of embellishments. I didn't go too wild with that. There's a pretty one and different papers there. And there's a pretty gift tag on the back, says "Just for You." And then I did just a few in this. These ones are with my coffee stamp that I had, and I had a 6x6 paper pad that had this a few of these words in it. This one says "Exhale," so I thought it was kind of cute with the coffee. I added that and layered it up there. And then there's another stamp I did on the back. It says "Coffee" with some coffee beans. Here's one, and this one says "Inhale," and I put the coffee with that as well. And the coffee and the little coffee beans there. And another tag on the back, "Just for You." This one I did as a thank you card. That turned out, it's just simple but pretty. That's a die I had that said "Thanks," and just layered a piece of lighter pink strip on there that I had, and then just made a little tag on the back that says "Thanks." And then I did a bunch of birthday ones, and let's see, here's one I did, and this one I used one of my frame dies that I had, and cut that out in some glittery paper. It says happy birthday. And then on the back, just for you. Hopefully you can see these okay. I hope it's not too glary, but there's one happy birthday to you. And there's the tag on the back as well. And there's another. This one I just did some little strawberries and cupcake on there. Some little cupcake cut punch outs that I did on the back there on the tag. There's another one. Happy birthday to you, and a little teacup with a macaron. And there's the gift tag. And these are very simple to do. You can whip up quite a few in a short time. There's one happy birthday to you. And there's the tag. But I thought maybe I'll just give you some inspiration, give you some ideas. I really like this paper and the purple and white stripes, so I use that. For this, could be a birthday card just for you. Maybe this one, I'll take it out so you can see it a little better. So it's happy birthday again, and I've just layered up some of the kind of flower shaped punches that I've done there, and then stamped out happy birthday to you and cut that edge with my Victorian scissors, I think it was. Just added the little cupcake on there, and then it's blank inside. Just has that on the back. And then the tag for that one is right here, just for you, like that. So I hope you like those, and it gives you some ideas. It's just kind of a fun thing to do, to use up your scraps and maybe get you back into the crafting for the fall. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.